Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 21st of December. And first of all, national news. No laxity in registering cases, Yogi Adityanath's direction to officials. Puducherry, Lakshadweep, Goa top in PM's Economic Advisory Council report. Navy received 5th India-made Scorpion class submarine Voyager. Opposition slammed Centre for seeking more spending of 3.25 trillion rupees. Measurement through Western standards, Smriti Irani on Gender Gap Index. Discussed India's digital transformation as Shankar met Google CEO. Caste-wise population census not enumerated since independence. Minister. Parliament's winter session may end a week early on Friday. Sources. The possibility of enlarging Security Council is now seriously on the table, UN chief said. Counting trains was part of training in this job, scam worth crores. India supported termination of Iran's nuclear policy at United Nations. Taj Mahal got notice for property tax water bills. Mistake, heritage officials said. India jumped from 7th to 3rd position in global scientific output. Minister. 3 YouTube channels with 33 lakh subscribers busted in fake news crackdown. Banks write off loans worth 11.17 lakh crores in past 6 years. And now some international news. 6.4 magnitude earthquake strike off Northern California. Absolutely don't believe Britain a racist country, Rishi Sunak. IMF approved monitoring program to help Ukraine secure donor funding. New UK currency notes with King Charles photo unveiled. World Bank granted $1.64 billion aid for Pakistan flood relief projects. Court trial of Myanmar's Aung San Suu Kyi entered final phase. North Korea slammed Japan's military build-up, vote to test nuclear missile. India to UN, no alternative to two-state solution for Israelis, Palestinians. Still not optimistic about. UN chief on Security Council expansion. China COVID outbreak toll of concern to rest of the world. US. Situation extremely difficult in annexed Ukrainian regions. Vladimir Putin. North Korea said sanctions won't stop its missile program. Partisan attempt to sideline, Trump said US Capitol riot charges fake. Russian drones hit Kyiv as Vladimir Putin visited Belarus. EU Parliament invited Elon Musk to testify. US said China's current COVID situation is global concern. Putin said Russia has no interest in absorbing Belarus. And now some sports news. Indian Premier League 2023 player auction list is out with a total of 405 cricketers set to go under the hammer in Kochi on December 23, 2022. Rohit Sharma and Navdeep Saini ruled out of second test versus Bangladesh. Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi are two of the greatest footballers ever. Babar Azam, a big zero, stop comparing him to Virat Kohli, ex-Pakistan star. Now news related to business. Sensex falls over 100 points on Bank of Japan's hawkish shift. Rupee fallen 6 paise to 82.76 per dollar. Inflation down but certainly not out, RBI said. SEBI to phase out share buybacks through stock exchanges. Fodder prices rose by 28% in November. Minister. Centre raised over rupees 4 lakh crore through disinvestment since 2014. Adani Green Energy received zero waste to landfill certification. Banks wrote off bad loans worth rupees 11 lakh crore in last 6 years. Minister. Rajasthan to slash LPG cylinder prices by half from April. US Congress to advance $1.7 trillion government funding bill. Now, news from science and technology. James Webb revealed young stars in early stages of formation in stellar nursery. Russia may expedite launch of next space capsule after leak. Mystery Nevada fossil site could be ancient maternity ward. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 21st December in New Delhi will reach to 23 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 9 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you.